Hello students, in class 8 science chapter 1 crop production and management. In this video we will discuss about what is crop, what are crop patterns, agriculture practices, tilling of soil and sowing of seeds. Let us see one by one. First of all, what is the meaning of crop? Clear? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in a field are that of wheat, like shown in this diagram. Crops are of different types, like cereals. In Hindi, this is called anaj, like maize. You are familiar. This is maize, which is also known as corn. This is rice. This is also known as paddy. This is wheat, barley, like this is jow. Clear? Vegetables and fruits. Crops can be classified on the basis of season in which they grow. Two broad cropping patterns are Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Besides these, pulses and vegetables are grown during summer at many places. Now, what are Kharif crops? The crops which are sown in rainy seasons are called Kharif crops. Is it clear? In rainy season. And what is the time for rainy season? In India, this is from June to September. Okay, examples are like paddy, maize, soya bean, groundnut and cotton. These are Kharif crops. You can see in these diagrams. This is cotton, this is groundnut and this is soya bean. Rabi crop. Okay. The crops grown in the winter season. And in India, generally winter season is from October to March. These are called Rabi crops. Examples are wheat, gram. You know, this is gram. In Hindi, this is chana. This is pea. These are the pea. Clear? Mustard. In Hindi, this is called sarson. This is the field of mustard. And these are the seeds of mustard. And linseed. In Hindi, this is called alsi. This look like this. Clear? The Kharif and Rabi crops are there. Now again, why paddy cannot be grown in the winter season? Clear? Because paddy requires a lot of water, therefore it is grown only in the rainy season. Basic practices of crop production. Cultivation of crops involves several activities. These activities or tasks are referred to as agriculture practices, which are listed below. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. We discuss one by one. First one is preparation of soil. This is the first step for growing a crop. Now what happens in this? It requires to turn the soil and loosen it. Now what happens when we turn the soil? This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Loosened soil helps in growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil, and these organisms are friends of the farmer. Turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. And the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. Clear? Tilling or plowing. Now, tilling is done by using a plow. Plows are made of wood or iron. The plowed field may have big clumps of soil, and these big clumps of soil are known as crumbs, and it is necessary to break these crumbs. Clear? Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as for irrigation. and leveling of soil is done with the help of a leveler. You can see this diagram. This is the leveler, and when this run in the field like this, clear? This make a field level. Okay, this is leveler. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling, and this helps in proper mixing of manure with soil. The soil is moistened before sowing. Now, agriculture implements. The main tools used for tilling purpose are plow, hoe, and cultivator. Now, see what are these? Plow. It is used for tilling the soil, and we can say this is adding mud fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds, and turning the soil. What is the meaning of weeds? We will discuss later on. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals. It may be horses or chemicals. You can say in this diagram. Clear? It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. Now see, this is the triangular share. This is plowshare. And the main part of the plow is long log of wood which is called a plow shaft. This one. This is called plow shaft. And there is a handle at one end of the shaft. This is the handle of this. And the other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. This part, okay, this is attached with the one beam, and this is placed on the neck of bulls. Clear? Next one is hoe. It is simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron and a strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its end and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. You can see this is the diagram of hoe. Cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by a tractor-driven cultivator. You can see this is the cultivator, and this tractor is using this cultivator. And the use of cultivator saves labor and time. Next step is sowing. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. Clear? Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yield. Yield means amount, high amount. Clear? Then how can we find out that seeds are good quality? At your home, we are having the one simple method. How can we select the seeds? Take a beaker and fill half of it with water and put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. Wait for some time. Damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighter, therefore they float on water. You can say in this. This is seed water testing. Okay. This is beds, empty seeds or hollow seeds come at the top of this water and good seeds remain at the bottom of this. Clear? In this way we can test the good quality seeds. Next, tools used for sowing seeds. Traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel. You can see this diagram. Okay, this is funnel. Okay, and the seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. Like these are the pipes. These are the pipes. And these ends which are sharp pierce, that is penetrate into the soil and place seeds there. Clear? You can say this is the funnel. In this case, these are the 3 pipes are giving. In the same way, this diagram is also showing. Now, tools used for sowing seeds. We have discussed the traditional tool. Now, this is the modern tool. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This is a seed drill. Okay. In this case, this is a place where seed are placed, and when this is moving, It fixes the seed in the field. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This protects seed from being eaten by birds because these are covered by soil. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. Clear? Next steps we will discuss in the next video. Okay? Thank you. And please subscribe my channel for the new video.